With an aging workforce and an expanding remote workforce, manufacturers are under pressure to reimagine collaboration and transform their workplace so employees can be more productive. The new reality of work in manufacturing is one where employees can collaborate, train, and be productive from any location. Altoura's productivity platform makes immersive training and collaborative visualization possible on any device. With Altoura's no-code experience builder, operations and learning development teams can easily author immersive training workflows like simulations, animations, and step-by-step instructions. No development experience required. Frontline workers can then visualize and interact with these workflows from any location. For example, in Altoura's virtual environment, they can complete HR or technical training, follow instructional guidelines, and collaborate with peers to complete tasks, all before even showing up on the manufacturing floor. After training in Altoura, frontline workers can use Microsoft Dynamics 365 guides to get real-time augmented reality task assistance. Training virtually before training on the job dramatically improves knowledge, retention, and accelerates time to productivity. Welcome to the new reality of work.